I'm not sure, but I came home and I think our babies from our nest are kind of getting out the flies, because there they go. Oh, they were just sitting right on the windowsill there. I thought they were sitting in there. Yeah, see, there they are. There looks like they're learning to fly. I don't know if you can see them or not. See them? Look at them. They're kind of hovering and dive bombing me. See them? There's the one sitting right there on top of the... See it? Look at them. See? Whoa! He almost ran right into me. Whoa! See? Wow, I better get out of here. They're dive bombing me.